Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we have some more mrBeast Lab Swarms. We have the single pack of the mrBeast Hyper Swarm Season 3 and we have the 2-pack for the mrBeast Hybrids. Let's get into it. First, I think I want to save this thing for last, so we're going to open this one first. If you remember last time we opened one of these, they gave me much stress. So, I'm gonna quickly go grab some scissors. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back with scissors. So let's just open this. This hopefully should be enough. And although we don't have the checklist that we have usually, I have a memory of what we've got. Okay, so we got one duplicate, which is all right, really. So, in this first bag, we have, not the dupe. We have this guy, which is pretty cool, which we will say his name in a minute once we get the checklist out, after we've revealed every figure. So let's just grab our handy scissors, cut it, and then open it. This figure is sadly the duplicate. It's the Retro Poo. So that's sad that we got the dupe. Again, third one. Have it. Cut it open. Reveal your swarm. We got this like evil tablet. Cool. So once we grab this, which is really not helpful when it's rolled up. Aha! Here we go. So, this one, which is the one we just opened, is called Game Glitch. So, this is Game Glitch. This is Video Doo-Doo, as we've already said, because we've got it before. And then this one is called Frostburn, which is actually pretty cool. So, yeah, there is the mrBeast Lab Swarms Season 3 single pack. We will probably do more of them because they are the easiest things to find. Now, let's just put this back in, take this excess plastic off, grab our figures, put them back in the tub with the stickers, close the lid. There's the first half done. Now we're on to the exciting part. So it is the 2-pack that includes a glow-in-the-dark beast plus a golden dragon, which is going to be sick. So let's open it and see what we got. Which is exciting. So I wonder which one's a glow-in-the-dark. Obviously, we've already opened one. I don't know if we've done it on the channel, but I have opened one before. I have opened the single pack. And yes, we have opened the single pack, so we know what we got. Well, we remember what we got. I remember the figures. I don't remember there being glow-in-the-dark ones, so this might be exclusive to the 2-pack, which could be cool. We've just got to open this extra plastic. Okay, so we've not opened the plastic, because what I'm also going to do is just rip off the actual thing itself. So then it's just the actual tub itself. Because it's way better because when you want to display your, because when you want to have your beasts, you can see what characters you have. We're opening it, which is taking ages. Okay, we have got it off, apart from this plastic. How much plastic does this 2-pack need? Finally got it open. Now, luckily you can see the top, so I can just, oh, it's a twist one, unlike the 1-pack. The 1-pack was a, like, I don't know how to say it. It was like a pull-off. This one, I think, comes with actually 3 figures because it has a blue, a pink, and then a mystery beast. We'll save this one to the end. So we're just going to put that one aside. And just to clarify, the figure we already have, if you've watched the mrBeast Labs TV show, his name is Panther, but in this, he is called Claw Panther. But his name in the TV show is Panther, so, yeah. Let's see what we get. We need a thing to flip, so we shall flip my pop socket. Ready? Heads or tails? Oh, by the way, the bit that can open up is for blue and the bottom is for pink. We got the bottom, so we're opening pink first. Get these out the way. So, the character we got was a cool character. So far we've got these bones. So let's guess what we got to start off. We got, I think, Terror Claw or Atomic Terror Claw. We'll find out in a minute. Because the difference between them is Terror Claw has a pink one. Nope, we got the Atomic Terror Claw, which is probably way cooler. I don't know why I keep saying probably. This is pink. Oh, wow. We got a different character's head. So, yeah, so we got a character called BeastBot, who is the security guard, basically, in the TV show. Okay, so we've got another piece of BeastBot. Okay, another piece of BeastBot. We have 3 for BeastBot. Oh, cool. The arm has a movable thing, which is pretty cool. It has some movable things. Oh, it's a 2. It's 2 arms on 1 hand. And then we have Atomic Terror Claw. I have a feeling they're the characters from the packaging. We also got the rest of BeastBot. That was the blue pack. So we now have the full BeastBot, which is pretty cool. Let's quickly, before we go on to the next bit, put it together. Wait, I'm just going to quickly check the instructions because I don't know how the arms go on. The arms go on the cloth. this claw. Okay, so this claw goes on this side. Okay. So it goes on this side. And then the other arm goes on this way. And then we just stick the head on. So it goes like this. Does not have a two-way head, but it is pretty cool, if I do say so myself, which I will because this is my channel. The next two blue packs will be for the Atomic Terror Claw. Looks like we've got the legs, so we've now got one arm. We've got one arm, the legs, and the body. We've now got one more till the mystery pack. There we go. Oh, we've got the arm and the head. I wonder what that mystery figure's going to be, to be honest. Okay, so this is Atomic Terror Claw. Pretty cool. He looks like he's undead because of all the skeletons in the head. But yeah, let's just set him aside. We've got them like we've got them like this. Okay, now it's what we've all been waiting for. The mystery figure. Oh, wow. Oh! It's not a figure. It's parts for a figure. Okay, I was not expecting that. That's pretty cool. But what we can do with this is if only it came with a head. And then we put the head for BeastBot on. It's now Golden Atomic BeastBot. Or if we wanted to, we could change one of the arms for one of BeastBot's arms. To make Golden Atomic Beast. Golden Atomic Beast Claw. We have that one. And we can't forget the arm for this one. And then BeastBot. And then we also have a gold leg, BeastBot's legs, and claw. And then these are our make beasts. So it turns out the characters on the front cover were the figures we got. Pretty cool, I can't lie. Oh, the tub. We can just use, drop your parts in. Then we just rip these off. Then we just seal the lid. and our beasts are safe and sound. See you guys on another mrBeast review. Bye!